guys, Jordy here from Premiere Basics, and have you ever seen these wonderful God rays in movies or maybe in real life when you're looking at a window? Well, I bet you do. Now today we're gonna fake those God rays and create them entirely inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So first you're gonna need a shot of a window, and if you like you can have someone sit in front of that, and when that person will stand up, it's actually going to create a very cool effect with those God rays. Now make sure light is coming through that window, so shoot during the day because else it's not going to work if it's dark outside. Now let's launch Premiere Pro and drop your video into the timeline and duplicate your clip by holding down Alt and dragging it one track higher. We're doing this because we're gonna mask out the windows and we don't want everything else to disappear. So select your video and head over to the effects controls. Go to the opacity and click on the pen tool. Make sure your playhead is at the beginning of your video and start masking out the window. Do this as precisely as possible. Now if you have two windows like us, simply create a second mask by again clicking on the pen tool and drawing another one. You can ignore any objects or persons in front of the window because in the end the God rays are going to interfere with them, which is actually going to be really cool. Now as you can see we have a moving shot, which means that the mask has to follow the movement as well. Now we could animate it by placing keyframes and all, but there is a much faster way. Premiere has this awesome function which can track objects, faces, or whatever you want. All of that within these four buttons right here. If you click on this one, Premiere Pro will track the mask forward. The other one will track it backwards. The other two buttons are used to track it manually one frame by another. And we're gonna use that when there's something difficult to track. Now before we're gonna start the tracking, you wanna click here on the tool button and make sure that preview is enabled. That way we can see in real time what the mask is going to do. Alright, now click on the track forward button and wait it out until Premiere Pro is done tracking the window. Now there is a possibility that the mask is going to fall off your window, so pay attention to the process. If that happens, simply click stop, head over to mask path and move the playhead to the frame where the mask was still in the right spot. Then remove all the keyframes to the right side of the playhead by selecting them and pressing delete on your keyboard. Now adjust the mask and continue tracking forward. Keep doing that until you're at the end of the clip. Now if you have a second window like we have, simply track that one as well with the same steps as we did before. Alright guys, we got the basis in place. As you can see, creating God rays does require some work. If you're too lazy for that, well, you can actually find tons of God rays stock clips on Storyblocks, the sponsor for today's video. Well yes, for example, if you're on a tight deadline, you can simply type in a search bar whatever kind of footage that you need and look until you find something that fits your project. In their ever-growing community-driven library, you can browse through millions of high-quality royalty-free stock assets, all of that in HD or 4K resolution. You can look for awesome animated backgrounds, Premiere and After Effects templates, or even collections where you can find specific types of videos. For example, if you need multiple video clips of an extreme sport, well, you can find that with ease. You can look for very cool green screen effects or lower third templates which are ready to use, and you can filter your search results by changing the frame rate, duration, or category. Now even music and epic sound effects are super easy to find. Now I've been using Storyblocks for many years already, and it has really helped me on every single project that I made, whether it's for VFX or perhaps shots that I need for my edits. So from experience, I can highly recommend to get a Storyblocks subscription, and I think that every video creator would benefit from the unlimited all access plan, which you can use to download an unlimited amount of assets and all of that for personal or commercial use. Or you can check out all the other affordable plans because there is one for everyone's needs. But to learn more about Storyblocks, simply click the first link in the description down below or go straight to storyblocks.com/Premiere Basics. And now let's continue with the God rays in Premiere Pro. Right click on the clip and select Nest. We're gonna do this because we want to apply an effect to the entire video and not just the masked out windows. Search for the directional blur in the effects library and drag it onto your clip. Then go to the effects controls and increase the blur length until it looks natural with your video. Next, change the direction of the blur. For our video, the light will travel from left to right, but of course, that can be different in your case. So simply find the direction of the light. Now next, we're gonna fix the edges of the window because the light spill looks a bit unnatural. So move your playhead to the beginning of your video, click on the pen tool and draw a mask around the edges of the window, starting on the side where there's no light supposed to come out. Now keep drawing the mask in the direction that the light is traveling, and now your light looks awesome until you press spacebar. As you can see, the mask doesn't follow along with the window, and that's because it isn't tracked yet. So just like we did before, click on the track forward button and wait out until Premiere Pro is done tracking. that already looks awesome, but we can make it look even better. I think that it would really look cool if we can add some sort of dust particles to the room, just like you can see in real life. So good thing I found one on Storyblocks. I simply downloaded it and dropped it into my project. Drag this clip above everything else in a timeline and go to the effects controls. Head over to opacity and set the blend mode to screen. This will remove the black background and only the dust particles will be visible. Now, to make it look even realer? Is that even the word? To make it look even more realistic, we're gonna make the particles appear in the God rays only. Now to do that, select the nested sequence and head over to the effects controls. In the directional blur effect, you can find the mask that we've just created. Select it and press Ctrl-C on your keyboard. Then select your particles clip in a timeline and go to the opacity effect. Press Ctrl-V on your keyboard and that will paste the mask along with all the keyframes. Now you gotta admit, guys, that looks beautiful. Now hit that like button if you learned something new today. That would really boost the video into the YouTube algorithm. So thank you so much for doing that. And thank you Storyblocks for the support. Also, don't forget to let me know if you're gonna try out that effect. Maybe post it somewhere to Instagram. You can find ours in the description down below and tag us so that we can see it as well. And as always, guys, stay creative. Now, check out the video here on my left, which is very nice as well. You should definitely check out that video. Really cool. And over there is a subscribe button for if you haven't clicked on that yet, which is kind of weird because you should subscribe to Premier Basics. It's like mandatory. All right, take care, guys.